When you talk, you use energy, am I right? When you think, you're using energy. So observe, how are you using your energy?
The YLTP course helped me in such different ways. It helped me how to deal with my stress, how to release my worries, how to let go of the past.
I have been taking part of the YLTP course, and it has helped me as a person to also find myself and to deal with my stress and how to deal with my breathing.
It has been an amazing 7 days to spend with the young adults and youth of Berrydale. Just to observe the innocence and still the childlike nature of the youth out here in the farmlands has been amazing. The determination to do a lot more for their community, determination to improve their lives, their lifestyle, but with a balanced, positive outlook has been very inspiring.
Hierdie werkswinkel het my 'n sterker persoon gemaak. Vandag stap ek hier uit as 'n sterk vrou. Ek vergeet van my verlede en ek kyk net vorentoe. Ek is soos 'n rivier, beweeg net vorentoe. From the
11th to 18th of March, I want a detailed plans for every week for the rest of this year on what are you going to achieve in that week. There's no playing around.